can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Hi YouTubers, welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. I hope everyone is keeping safe out there and everyone is staying healthy. Today's video is a video that I wanted to do for a while now. It's actually a video about an accessory for the Dji Om5. The Dji Om5 is one of my favorite product release for this year 2021, and I would think that this would be a really hot item for Christmas present for any family or friend in your family that you want to give that uses the camera a lot. Cell phones are got really smart, but this device here allows you to use the full functionality of your cell phone to capture great photos and excellent videos. It also provides stabilization for your camera, so when you're recording photos you can have stable photos, both portrait and landscape. It has the extension arm to act as a selfie stick, and with the motorized gimbal you can create different angles to provide different perspective in your photo. So the product that I'm so excited to review and definitely want to encourage everyone to purchase for a friend or family who are very tech savvy, that want to use their phone for videos and photos, this would be the product I recommended, Dji Om5. So Dji recently released a addition to this device, and it's actually something I was waiting for a very long time. This is the full light clamp. So basically this is the clamp that goes on the phone but has these LED or RGB lights on the side. So this gives you the option to record photos and videos while having additional light, and especially in the dark or when the lighting in the area that you record is not so good, this comes in really handy. So let's open the box and check it out and see how this works. Then we have the actual clamp. This is a phone clamp. It fits any size phone and it adjusts by pulling the side to create that tension so you can keep the phone intact. What's really cool about this here, it has the DJI logo there, which is pretty fantastic, and it is also powered by LED light. So there you go. So that's the light right there. It's very bright and it makes it great for shooting in low light environment, and you can switch between different colors of light. So this, you can actually increase the brightness, turn it off. This is pretty exciting, and it has the USB-C charging port to the side. It also has a direction where you're going to put the phone, make sure your phone is in the right position. And we also have this little switch at the side here that allows you, I believe, to change the color of the light. So there's a warmer light if you're looking for a warmer lighting, and then we have more of a bright warm light. There's more of a blue light. This is a very, very warm light. It's hard to see from the still there, but it's very warm. And then brighter. So different brightness setting on the light, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and set this up and see what this looks like. Just to show everyone what the OM5 looks like, this is the size of it. I have the white / semi off-white color, which is pretty nice. It's very elegant design, very light. I did a full review on this device, so please check out that video if you want more detail about it. And the way this has all the different settings, and the way this unfolds is you basically, this is the unlock position, you lift the arm up, and that's basically how it unfolds. Obviously, like I said earlier, it has the extension arm, which gives you more height for shooting in higher elevation. And then this is basically the gimbal here, the 3-motor gimbal that rotates to different angle, and you can control that using this joystick right here. So let's actually set up the phone onto this here, and you'll see how everything sort of comes together. Very simple design. My phone is already on, and there's a little magnet right here on this that lines up with this magnet here. So basically you just rotate it to the magnet. It's a very strong magnet, and what I would do, I'm going to turn it on. You get a little indicator light saying it's powered on. My phone is obviously in position, but let us try this out a little bit. So I'm gonna use the light on it to see how that light works. As you can see, this makes the video recording brighter, and then the switch at the side here allows you to change between the different lighting. So this is the warm light, this is a higher intensity light, higher lumen, and this is more of a blue light, and you can switch between whichever lighting you prefer. The light is pretty strong. I definitely recommend this. This clamps retail for $59, but it's very hard to find it in stock. Other thing that's really nice about the OM5 is this tripod. This comes inside the package, and it allows you to kind of set this on the desk and have your lights on and do your recording, which is pretty fantastic. So the one last thing I want to mention is DJI does provide this really cool bag when you purchase the OM5. It's a really nice bag. I love it. It has nice texture, and it has this string tie here, which keeps everything intact. The clamp out actually goes right inside here, which makes it very compact and portable. So that's it for today's video. I'm gonna end the video there. Hope you guys check this out from DJI. It's the DJI full light clamp. Very popular device. If you get your hands on it now, get your hands on it. And if you're looking for a holiday gift for one of your niece, nephew, partner, anyone out there that's someone you want to present a gift to, I would highly recommend the OM5 from DJI as a holiday present. That's it for me, folks. See you on the next video.